see, what happened was I was about to make a video, but and then I just got something to eat. So I'll be back. What's up? What it do? What's good with you? It is Dark925 coming to you live, and today we're going to ignore two things. So we're going to ignore the fact that I sound and look like a dying horse because I am not feeling well, but I don't have anything pre-filmed, so I literally have to film something because I want to stay consistent with my upload. So we're going to ignore that. And second, we're going to ignore the fact that I have the world's biggest pimple on my chin. So this video is just low-key all bad. But today I'm going to be doing an everyday makeup look. I don't have one of these on my channel and I feel like I should, so I'm going to be doing that. Two things: foundation will be featured in this video, but technically that isn't like an everyday thing, but I wanted to test out my elf hydrating primer, so I just was like, let me just do my foundation, because I mean, even though it's not my everyday look, I do it every time I do go to a special occasion. So there will be foundation featured in my everyday look, and then second thing, there won't be eyelashes featured in this look, even though I usually do wear eyelash. No, not all the time, but I did start wearing eyelashes more. But since I'm going to a concert later, I kind of didn't want to, like, I can't believe I'm going to this concert and I do not feel good, but oh well, YOLO. But I'm going to a concert later and I just wanted to wear my eyelashes for that, possibly risk messing them up. So I'm going to just save my eyelashes for when it's closer to the time for me to go to my concert. So now that I did all that talking, I'm going to just go right into the video. So this is my completed everyday look, but like I said in the beginning, if I said that, I don't really wear foundation every day, but I did want to test out this e.l.f. primer, so that's why I added foundation into this everyday makeup look. And what I will say is this hydrating face primer is most definitely for people that has like dry skin, which I really don't have dry skin on my face, so it's not really that much needed, but I think it did give my face sort of a more glow, so I actually do like that. This is my makeup look. As you can see, my eyeshadows are golds because that's just like the neutral color that I like, and then I have brown eyes. Kind of makes my brown eyes pop out, and then like I said before, I usually might do something to my eyelashes, or put eyelashes on, but I didn't because I have somewhere to go. But I like that mascara that I have, because if I would have really took the time to do them a lot, my eyelashes would have been like way fuller and all that. So yeah, this is all I do. I don't do any highlighter every day. I don't do a lot like concealer under my eyes every day. Like, no. And most of the time I wear Carmax matte lip gloss, but lately I have been wearing lip gloss, so I featured that in the video. But yeah, if you want more like makeup videos like this, I am doing like eyeshadow, not tutorials, but like looks coming up. So if you have any suggestions or whatever, then you can most definitely comment that below. 20 seconds of this video, there'll be my picture in the top left, at least is my left, so the top left corner, and that's a direct way for you to subscribe. And then at the bottom right corner will be a video that you can check out. It's I always click like best reviewers, I believe, so it's either gonna be somebody else's video or one of my videos. So click that, whoever video ends up being. And that is all for today's video. Like, comment, and subscribe. It is Dark Beauty 925 signing out of this live. Bye.